class. Welcome to the next video of trigonometric ratios of multiple and submultiple angles. In today's video we are going to see the formula of tan 2 theta. So as we had seen previously how to find formula for sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta, similarly in this video we are going to derive formula for tan 2 theta. So let us start. So tan 2 theta, first what we have to do, we have to write this 2 theta as theta plus theta. Okay, then tan 2 theta will be tan theta plus theta, which is in compound angle formula. So formula for tan A plus B, tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B. Okay, compound angle formula for tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the compound angle formula for tan A plus B. So after using this formula in tan theta plus theta, we will get tan theta plus tan theta, okay, upon 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. Now numerator is tan theta plus tan theta, so it will be a 2 tan theta. Denominator will be 1 minus tan theta into tan theta, so that will be a tan square theta. Okay, so finally formula for tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, so class, for tan theta there is only one formula, and the formula is tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now let us summarize the formula of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. So for sin 2 theta we have two formula. One is sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, and the second formula sin in terms of tan theta. So sin in terms of tan theta will be 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so for sin 2 theta we have two formula. One in terms of sin theta and cos theta, and the other one is in terms of tan theta. Now the second is cos 2 theta. So for cos 2 theta we have this much formula. Okay, the very first formula is cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, so whenever we want to convert this cos 2 theta in terms of cos theta and sin theta, okay, it is very important what you want. So I want to convert this cos 2 theta in cos theta and sin theta, then I will use the formula cos square theta minus sin square theta, the very first formula. If I want to convert this cos 2 theta only in sin theta, okay, I don't want the cos theta term, I just want the sin theta terms only, then I apply the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Suppose I am interested only in cos theta, I don't want the sin theta term. In that case cos 2 theta will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, if I want to convert this cos 2 theta in terms of tan theta, okay, only in terms of tan theta, then formula will be 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now from second formula we get two important, from second and third formula we get two important result. Result is what? 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, and 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Okay, so this is the very important formula, right? These are the very important formula of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and lastly tan 2 theta. So tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now students, please pay attention. Just check sin 2 theta formula. Okay, sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta and tan 2 theta formula. Okay, so sin 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, right? And tan 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So the only difference between sin 2 theta formula and cos 2 theta formula is the sign. Okay, just check the sign. If the sign is plus, then this is the formula of sin 2 theta. If the sign is minus, then this term is formula of tan 2 theta. Okay, so plus minus से फर्क पड़ता है. If it is plus, then that is equal to sin 2 theta. If it is minus, then that term is equal to tan 2 theta. Okay, so very important and very confusing formula. So just remember the derivation of sin 2 theta. Okay, when we are deriving sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, this formula, in that case we have taken denominator as 1, right? To derive this, we had taken denominator as 1, and we had written that 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, so always plus will come here only. Okay, we had taken 1 and we had written 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta, and that's why plus will come in sin 2 theta formula, and opposite of that minus will come in tan 2 theta formula. Okay, so once again just check the formula. These two formulas are look like a same, but there is a difference, and difference is plus and minus sign. Okay, so with this formula I am concluding this video. In next video we can see the formula for 3 theta. Okay, so thank you students.